Hi everyone! Starting a business can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'm going to share 10 simple steps that will help you get your business off the ground. You won't believe how easy it is to achieve this. So let's get started. The first step is to come up with a business idea. This can be something that you're passionate about or something that you think there's a need for in the market. Once you have your idea, the next step is to do some market research. This will help you validate your idea and make sure there's a market for it. The third step is to create a business plan. This will outline your business goals, strategies, and how you plan on achieving them. The fourth step is to choose a business structure. This will determine the legal and tax implications of your business. The fifth step is to register your business. This will give you a legal entity and help you protect your personal assets. The sixth step is to get a business license. This will allow you to operate your business legally. The seventh step is to open a business bank account. This will help to establish a relationship with your banker. The eighth step, get a merchant account. This will help you collect payments for your business. The ninth step is to get a website so you can have an online presence. The 10th step is to make sure you use a business address and business phone number, and the number should be listed in the 411 listings. Like and follow for more.